I really get excited sometimes when I jump on to do a review with you of a wig. And this is from the TressAllure Look Fabulous collection, realistic collection. That means this is their heat-friendly synthetic fiber. So you can wear it like this or put curl in it, but you can maintain it with heat. We might get into that in a little bit. I always love to throw in some Male Bees 101 wig tips, so we'll throw some of those in as well. But what I can tell you is, and I have lights on me, so there is no shine on this. It is not that shiny fiber. It's beautiful. It feels realistic. It looks realistic. And I can't wait to get it on. The color that this is called Picture Perfect. It's 38 51 60. That's 38 51 60. So it's a blend on blend type of grays and brown. So it gives you a very natural looking color. It's not flat, and most people's hair is not flat. I mean, mine is white and silver. This is my bio hair, but when you get up close, you can see it's grayer back here and white in the front. You see that? That's why these wigs come that way. I know sometimes you say, well, why is it just white, that white streak in the front? Because a lot of times they base it on the way women's hair really grows out. And a lot of women that have long gray hair that have grown it out have white in the front and it's gray in the back. So that's what they do. It's based on the majority of people's hair. So that's why they design these that way, to fit the majority of people. I can tell you that there are wigs that come that don't have that white in the front. So I have some in my playlist. If you look at all my grays, you'll see some of them there. Or contact me and comment, reach out, and I'll try to show some to you. Send you some links to show you those all gray and no white at the front. But I love the white at the front because that's what I have here. Now let's get my wig cap on. So I have always been a wig grip person, but these wigs are made but it adds a lot of bulk, and I wear glasses, and around my ears it gets bulky. So I have really gotten to where I love a wig cap because I don't have to worry about my hair sticking out later from underneath, and I just have gotten to where I like the way it feels better. So sometimes they can feel tight. So one of my suggestions is stretch it out. Stretch that elastic part out. You can do that before you put it on or after. Then get it up here where your natural hairline is. And also what I like to do, and this is a silver wig, but I always like blending a little of my own hair with it. So since this is white at the front, let's just pull out some white at the front then. So that's just going to help with the realism of it. Take your white tooth comb and pull that out. And it's a great way to make it look even more realistic. So let's get this on. I can't wait. I'm going to leave the tag on. I'm not going to take the time to take it off. Let's just pop it on. Flip it back. And we're going to see. So I may have to get in closer up here so I can really see what's going on. Wide tooth comb. I'm going to comb out this top area and bang. And because I like my parts usually on the left or down the middle. And then I'm just going to take this and just kind of go in the area that I generally would part my hair. So like that. And pull it over. Now, one of the things you're going to find, especially since this is that monofilament top, that you're going to need to, oh, isn't she pretty? You're going to need to direct this hair up front. So as you can see here, this definitely wants to come forward. Now I can fix part of that. Let's try going where it's a little bit more closer to center and not so far left, and pull that over, rake my fingers through. Oh, this is pretty. I can't even begin to tell you how good this feels, this fiber. And I can always tell when a synthetic fiber is great because it'll feel so soft on your neck. Human hair feels really soft when you have it on. It doesn't get itchy or anything, but look at this and look at the hairline. I might pull it back a little bit more. Don't pay attention to that. It's got a boo-boo there. Okay. Sound like a child. I have a boo-boo. Okay, but I do. But look at that. Isn't that a great hairline? So many ways you're going to be able to wear this with that hairline, but this is fabulous. It feels good. It feels pretty. It looks really pretty. Let me turn around. I'm in a tight quarters here. It's really noisy, and so I couldn't film out in the other room because of all the street and city noise. So I came back here to film in my studio where my wig war room is. Let me turn around. It has great movement. Now this is a bit much, right? We can admit to that. So why I do these my reviews like this is so that they're also more tutorial. I want you to see like that, getting out of the box, and you're gonna look at this and go, and what do I do with that? Now this is heat friendly, so of course we can put heat on it, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. Oh, I love this. And it's the density, like I said, that fiber. And see how they just, oh, it tucks so easy behind the ear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this with some water. Always have a spray bottle. It's a great way to work with your wigs. And you can just more easily do some styling on it without heat at this point. And see like that, how that now wants to go over better. And I'm going to put my hand right here and push against the knots, push against that knots right there. So I'm kind of telling it to redirect and go back away from my face as opposed to just falling forward. So no product, no problem. But look at that. This is, I wish there was field of vision so you could reach through this and touch this to see how this feels. So if you've been looking for a beautiful gray, silver gray, longer wig, this is, I think this is just gone to the top because this feels good. It feels soft. It feels natural. I think that hairline is phenomenal. Don't look at my boo-boo. It looks phenomenal. I'm just like a kid sometimes, and I love that. So you're going to be able to do a lot of different back or, half back, up. It's, like I said, the density, because it's oh, look at that. The density's nice. So that's what I'm talking about when you're wanting to pull something back in a pony. It's coming summer and you want to get that up off your neck. That's how easy that's going to happen. And it's not going to be a big chunk, thick. This is more natural, the way people's hair is going to pull up for a ponytail. So I really like that. I think that's a big plus for this wig. Not to mention the fact that you can curl it with this wig being heat friendly. You can use any type of a heating tool on it. It's going to do beautiful. Now remember, curling a heat friendly wig means you're resetting the design. When they're making a wig and they're putting a curl pattern in it or like this curve into it, they're actually using a lot of times rods that they heat up. They wrap the fiber around it and it cools. They cool it down. And once it's totally cool, the curl is set. So that's why when you're using a curling iron, it's like a tube, right? You're going to wrap it around, get it hot, and then keep it there until it cools. And if you have to, drop it and then pin it, right? Put a pin in it, hold it until it is completely cool, and then that way that curl was set. It will not come back out again until you put heat on it again. And then once you put heat on it again, so maybe you want to straighten it back out again, then you'll put heat on it. But as you're putting the heat to straighten the fiber, again, straighten and hold it and let it cool. That's the trick to this. Now, I love throwing these things in so that you know what to do. There's lots of videos online about curling a heat-friendly wig, so I advise you. I know that I have some in my playlist, so always Google in when you're looking for these things, and maybe that's how you found me. And I hope you'll find in my playlist a lot more tips and tricks that I share, as well as reviews. So I like to train people in wearing wigs, because that's how I got here. I got here because my hair, I lost most of my hair, and now it's come back a lot, but and during the 20s, 2019, 2020, in that range, we know what time that was, and I lost, because of that, during that time, lost half my hair. So I've dealt with a lot and overcoming that, and then that's what got me into wigs. So what did I do? I went online, finding people that I could watch them and could help me and learn about wigs, and I just wanted to give back and share, because I love teaching, I love telling, and tell you more about wigs too. So enough of that. If you have any comments or questions, please reach out to me. We have a community post on my YouTube channel, so be sure and go through there and comment, help other people, ask questions. You can leave photographs and pictures if you've gotten a wig through me and you'd like to leave a photograph so I can see it, and so other wig sisters here can see it too. Also, don't be alarmed when I know most of you are like, oh, but Melba, you're my silver sister, and sometimes I wear brunette and red and blonde and rooted, and you know what? That's the joy of wigs. So if I can share anything along this wig journey, is the joy of wigs, the joy of wearing a different wig every day if you want to, the joy of having that look that you think, if I could have hair, it would be this hair. But we know I can. It's come back a lot, but it'll never be the texture. It'll never have the volume. It'll never be able to do this. This would take me a lifetime to grow out. I had long hair back in the day, but that was back in the day, sister. It's not now, for sure. And I just love the fact that I can pop this wig on and be out the door in seconds. Yes, I can. Instead of washing and styling and product and curling and blow drying and all of that stuff, and still not feel fabulous, still not feel good about how I look. Let the weather hit it, rain, wind, and it destroys whatever work that you've done for all that time. Put this wig on, you're good to go. All day, all night, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You're good to go. So that's why I love wigs. And so it was a necessity for me at one time. It may be for you now. Maybe it's just become fun and fashion, because that's where I want the world to get, is that it's not because you're sick. It's not because you've lost your hair. It's not because of all of that. It's because you just love having fabulous hair. Actresses do it. Newscasters do it. People on TV and movies do it. So you and I can do it too. So let's jump in this together. Okay, last bit of business that I want to talk about is, besides this being a fabulous wig, that I'll leave a link, and I always leave, if they're available, they'll be at the bottom or underneath the video that you look down. You're watching me now, look down below. There is a description, a title kind of description, and a ... more. Click on the ... more. There'll be a link for the wig or any other products that I tell you about. The other thing is that there will also be, this is from wigs.com, so there will be what's called, product links, tagged products, shop products, but there'll be just a little thing on the screen when this video first starts up. Sometimes it's underneath the video that you can click it, that you're looking here on the screen, you can click it. Maybe you're on the television watching this on TV and you might need to, I don't know, get on your phone and go to the video and then click it. But down below, or get on your phone, go to my YouTube channel, touch the ... more, and there's a link that will follow, and put a discount on it for you too, so that you could get this beauty and get that 30% off discount that I can give you. So this is great. One more bit of business that I want to share with you is I am going to start up, I'll try to be consistent, but I'm going to start trying to do 1 hour a week And I'm in the Netherlands, so it'll have to be early morning, but you can watch it later when you do get online. But if you want to get on and ask questions live and you want to be a part of the live session, then be sure and look for that. I'll be posting one this next week, or I'll be going live next week, and it'll usually be around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock my time, so that's going to be about 8 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock your time. And I'll try to get on. I'll be on for about an hour because I really want to talk about all things wigs, skincare, makeup, life in the Netherlands, life as an expat, life traveling, all those, anything that you might have a question about me or what I know about skincare and makeup and all that kind of stuff, then yeah, I want you to get on and we'll have kind of a topic to go with each week, but I also want to make it so that it's us just sitting talking about things and sharing life and getting to know each other better. You're a fabulous community. I love you all so much, and I was hoping that these lives that we could do could get us closer, and then that I could make it more real and personal to you, because I do get beautiful comments and questions and discussions going back and forth, and sometimes I just want to be able to be immediate about it. I want to be able to help you in that very moment. So keep an eye out for it. Be sure for that reason to always like the videos because that gets the algorithm going. The other thing is also subscribe so that you always get my videos on your feed. And lastly, to hit the notification bell, that little bell, click it on so that you and I can also, that you'll get my videos notified to you that, hey, there's a new video from Mel B, and maybe it's saying, hey, there's going to be a live on Wednesday afternoon. Also, if you will comment below, and also know if you watched all the way to the end, what day is best for you? So I might put a poll up on that on my community board, on the post under the channel. You can go to post, P-O-S-T-S, and there's the community, and I'll post maybe a poll that you could take about what day is best for you. And I'll try to do my best to do it weekly. And if I'm not and I'm on holiday or vacation, I don't know, maybe I'll just take you with me. I'm going to Croatia soon and Slovenia, and I'll take you with me and we'll have a little live chat from over there. So, all right, my friends, that's all. Again, this is TressAllure. I'm going to leave a link below. This is Picture Perfect. And I think she really is picture perfect. I am loving it. The color's beautiful. The fiber is one of the best fibers I've ever put on. That's a synthetic wig. The dimension that's on it, I think they did spot on. Everything about this wig gets a 10 out of 10 for me. So check it out, link below.